Ruthless Cat. Ruthless Cat by a long neck, pecking away Nugget Queen on the outside, and Nugget Queen is certainly more than nuisance value. They bump a little bit, but Ruthless Cat still in front. Nugget Queen try to come back on, but Ruthless Cat holding narrowly. Ruthless Cat wins by a half to Nugget Queen. Ruthless Cat, the unofficial winner here. A 2-year-old chestnut filly by Dominique's Cat from Lady Ruthia, but we do await the inquiry outcome. Dan Dennison, the winning trainer of Ruthless Cat. Judge Lania Racing and Ernie Hartman, Harmon are the owners. We await more details now. They're through the numbers of 7, 10, 9 and 2. And the winning rider is Justin Shepherd. That inquiry concluded. No change. 7, 10, 9, 2 will become the official order shortly. Another victory therefore for Justin Shepherd here today. That result is official. Exacta has paid $87.30 on 7 and 10. Trifecta 7, 10, 9, 847.10. The Super 7.